Krish, Mahen Kumar, Kanishk. Mahen and Kanishk are not studying. Mahen and Kanishk are not studying. Priyanshi Khandelwal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Raghav. Lavish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, beta. Divyansh. So I can see 20 participants. Right now we don't have Yashika, Sia, Shrishti, Shivansh, Pravleen, Pihu, Naman, Kunal, Kulpreet, Ishit, Ishmit, Harshita, Hariyar, Anshul, Akriti. So only 20 children are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. Let me start the class. Put your videos on so that I can see you in school uniform. Hamza, is it now the view? Is the view better now? Are you able to see clear? Better, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Put your audios off. We have to continue with the exercise. We have to continue with the exercise. We were doing only 2 questions are left in the last exercise. Only 2 questions from the last exercise are left. Let's see. Ishmit is entering now. Ishmit. Ishmit. Sia. Put your audios off, children. I think I should start my class instead of wasting time. Yes. Can I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Those will come late after I will mark them. Now, the 2 questions, exercise 2.6 word problems I am starting with. Question says, like I am reading out the question. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. Hari and Harry. Question number 6. In the ratio of 5:7. Whenever we have ratios like this, we suppose the age is like this. Like, yeah, let the age of Hari be at 5x years and let the age of Harry be 7x years. This is their present ages. 4 years from now, this is present age. Present age. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Now 4 years from now. What do you mean by 4 years from now? Apurva, bolo.
After 4 years.
After 4
After
years.
4 years.
So it will become 5x plus 4 and it will become 7x plus 4. Anybody has any query in this?
No, ma'am.
Now we'll frame the equation according to the question. They are saying after 4 years, the ratio of their ages would be 3:4. Deliberately, I did this question on the board because it was not possible to do on the MS Word. So the ratio is given is to 3/4. So I'll start solving, children. Start solving, please. Start solving. Shivansh is coming now. Start solving, children. How to solve these? We used to cross multiply. Put your audios off or
Good morning, ma'am.
quite late.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Off. Start solving, children. Start solving. Yes, start solving. We'll cross multiply 4 with 5x, you will get 20x plus 16 is equal to 21x plus 12. I now shift constant terms and variable terms on one side. So I got access to. Check it out. Is everybody getting the same? Check it out. You're not able to see.
Ma'am, x will be -4. Minus x is equals to -4.
Minus
Four,
x.
4, not -4. Only
Minus 4. X is equal to 4.
as x is equal to.
Ma'am,
Yes, wait, wait. Let me just.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I have
Got the
also
answer.
got
X is equal to 4.
Ma'am, Hari's.
Equal
Ma'am, Hari's age is 20 and Harry's age is
28.
28.
Ma'am, Harry's age is 28.
to 4.
मैम
हाँ जी,
मैम एक डाउट है
बोलो।
मैम हमने जब किया था मैम 5x + 4 और 7x + 4 तो मैम हमने इज इक्वल टू मैम हमें ये लिखना चाहिए था 3x + 4x.
No. Ratio of ages after 4 years is given to us. Ratio of ages after 4 years is given to us. Okay? Ratio of ages after 4 years is given
मैम
to us.
3x 4 नहीं लेंगे 4x.
So the ratio is given as 5:7. Present age ratio is given as 5:7. Okay? Now the last statement would be
Therefore,
Please write down.
Hari's age is 20 years and Harry's age is 28 years.
28
Very
years.
good. Very good. Start writing, children. Start writing. I'll start the next question once we're done with this. Now I'll go for 7.
मैम मैम एक क्वेश्चन है मैम सॉरी
शिवांश क्या कह
एक
रहे
चीज
हो
ये
आप?
पूछनी है मैम हमारा सेकंड चैप्टर कंप्लीट होने वाला है तो हम तो टेस्ट कब होगा
बता देंगे बेटा टेस्ट होगा नेक्स्ट वीक में लूंगी अभी अभी मैंने तैयार नहीं किया है आई इन्फॉर्म आई हैव नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड येट Now I'm doing 7th question. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. This is numerator, suppose this is denominator. They are saying denominator of a number is greater than its numerator. Denominator is greater. Suppose the numerator by 8. Suppose this is x, then it will become x plus 8. Denominator is greater, so it will become x plus 8. Anybody any query? Let numerator and denominator be like this. If the numerator is increased by 17, if it is increased by 17, it will become x plus 17. And if the denominator is decreased by 1, denominator is decreased by 1, means like
X
this.
plus 8 minus 1.
Yes. The number obtained is 3 by 2. Very simple. Now x, according to my question, x plus 17 upon x plus 7 is equal to
7.
3 upon 2. Please
3
solve.
upon 2.
Please solve. All of you start solving. Start solving. Well, to solve these, we have to cross multiply. We'll cross multiply.
Ma'am, I have got the answer.
2x plus 3x is equal to 3x plus 21.
I hope all of my children can solve now.
X is equals 13.
Is
I
equal
hope
to
all of you can solve.
X is equals to 13.
Yashika
13.
joined.
Ma'am, done.
So you got what is 34 minus 21?
X is equal to
X is equal to
113.
X is equal to
13.
13. Very good. You got X is equal to 13.
Plus, ma'am, उसको फिर plus 8 कर देंगे is equal to 21.
Wait. Therefore, numerator
13
लिखो
upon
पहले.
25.
13 upon
Denominator
21
लिखो.
is rational number.
Numerator is 13 and denominator is 13 plus 8. What is 13 plus 8?
21. 21.
Therefore, the number is 13
upon 21.
13 upon 21.
मैम
हाँ जी।
मैम आपने जो ओपन डोर के 10 क्वेश्चंस दिए थे, आप उसके आंसर डिस्कस कर सकते हैं?
लेट मी जस्ट सी, पहले ये करते हैं, देखते हैं मेरे पास अगर अभी होते तभी निकालती हूँ मैं, नहीं तो आई विल सेंड यू, मैं भेज दूँ आपको। मैं आई वाज नॉट वेल फॉर सम डेज सो आई कुड नॉट डू इट, आई विल सेंड
Ma'am, I have completed
Okay,
both
ma'am.
of them.
टुडे। आई विल
ओपन डोर
डेफिनेटली
कब
सेंड,
है?
आई विल टेक सम मेडिसिन, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग
Ma'am,
वेल
me too.
मैम ओपन डोर कब है?
अभी ओपन डोर कैसे होगा बेटा, अभी ओपन डोर कैसे होगा, अभी ओपन डोर कैसे होगा?
Oh.
Is there anybody in the class who has any kind of problem? Any of the question? Any problem in any of the question?
No, ma'am.
Sure. Something like this.
मैम
हाँ जी।
मैम मुझे 2.4 की वाली एक्सरसाइज में से 7 में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। आपने समझाया था, मुझे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है।
Asal buys two kinds of cloth materials. शिवांश ये वाला क्वेश्चन कह रहे हैं?
यस मैम।
Two kinds of cloth material ये वाला कह रहे हैं? शिवांश
मैम 2.4 तक। आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही।
am I not audible? Because you all have started speaking now.
And you are audible.
You are audible.
अब देखो, yes, शिवांश शिवांश बोलो कौन सा क्वेश्चन कह रहे हो आप? शिवांश शिवांश
यस मैम। मैम 2.4 का 7।
हाँ हसन वाला क्वेश्चन ना, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, हसन बाइज टू काइंड्स ऑफ क्लॉथ मटेरियल ये वाला कह रहे हो ना?
यस मैम।
ओके, should I explain you again, all of you?
यस मैम।
Okay, have you all copied down till here? Have you all copied down till here?
यस।
I move to the next, then I will explain that question again.
ये समझो
ठीक है।
Question says Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniform. One is shirt and one is trouser. One is shirt. Wait. One is shirt, one is trouser. Now they are saying shirt cost in rupees. Shivansh, put your audio off. Shivansh, put your audio off. Haji, they are saying that cost of shirt material is rupees 50 per meter. Rupees 50 per meter. And the cost of trouser material is rupees 90 per meter. This is what the question is. Then for every 3 meters details of shirt material. Shirt material we suppose as X, 3x, and trouser material as 2x. Material. 3x was the shirt material and 2x was the trouser material. Now the question says, first in this question we find out CP and SP. But SP is given to us. First we find CP. CP will be 3x multiplied by 50. It means how much he has to spend for shirt. He has to spend for one shirt 3x into rupees 50. But we did not join earlier. But we always joins late. And CP of trouser is going to be rupees 2x multiplied by 90. This was the amount he is spending on one shirt, and this is the amount he is spending on one trouser. Okay. Now he is making 12% and 10% profit respectively. Shirt पर 12%, shirt पर 12% profit है, और trouser पर 10%. SP will be found by finding, first we'll find out this is 150x and this was 180x. SP would be 150x plus 12% of 150x. SP of trouser would be 180x plus 10% of 180x. Okay? If anybody has query, he or she can raise his hand. Then we have to find out 150 plus 12% of 150. Similarly, 180 plus 10% of 180x. 180x plus 10% of 180x. Calculate this. When we calculated this, Raghav is joining now. 5-10 minutes are left in the class and he is there. Children are joining till now. I think he lost his connection. Now calculate, children, this part. What do we get? When I find 150x plus 12% of 150x, it will be 150x plus 5 2s are 5 3s are. This is 6. I get 18 here. 168x is SP of one shirt. 168x is SP of one shirt. Similarly, we will calculate here 180x plus 18x. 180x plus 18x. 198x. 198x. Check it out. Have you done right? Please check it out. Plus 18. Yes. This was 12% and that was 10%. 10% of 18 is 18x and 12% of 150 is 18x. Now this is given to us. Total of this is given to us. Total of this is given to us 36,600. Equate and get the equation. Okay? Equate and get the equation. Any query now? Okay. Let me give you one. I want to solve one example with you. If you have done even this, I'll do example. Yuvraj, you joined late. Were you able to copy down? one example with you, children. I need to erase the board. Can I erase? Can I erase? You all can. Please answer it either by showing thumb if you have copied or if you have already know. If you already knew this answer. Very good. Let me do one example with you. Can I erase this? Yes. Solve 6x plus 1. Let me change the marker. 6x plus 1. Write on the chart. 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 upon x minus 3 x minus 3 upon 6. How to solve this kind of question? What we do in this kind of question, we take first of all LCM. It will become 6x plus 1 plus 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 6.
Ma'am, cross multiply.
Now 6x plus 4 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 6. Some children start cross multiplying at this step. That's why I chose this question. Some children start multiplying at the first step. You can't. Unless you join this one along with this, you can't cross multiply. Am I clear, children? Any confusion? Any problem with anybody?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now cross multiply and solve. Start solving. Keep on solving. Please. All I want all of you to solve. What do you get? 36 minus 3. 33x is equal to minus 33. So you got x equal to minus 1. This is one of the good question I found in your book. One of the good question I find in your book. It is example 16. So children, without even telling by me, you all must practice all the examples on your own. You must practice all the examples on your own. If you want, I can open, let me see how many minutes are left. 8 minutes are there. If you want, somebody was asking me open door question. Let me see if I can do those questions with you. Let me check. I have to open the Google Classroom. On which date do anybody remembers which date? Let me check. When did I send it to you? Did you all see the video also? Shivansh? Yes.
मैम एक चीज पूछनी थी मैम, हमारा टेस्ट कब होगा?
बेटा आपको डेट बता देंगे, नेक्स्ट वीक में लास्ट में लूंगी, ठीक है?
नेक्स्ट वीक के लास्ट में कौन सा वाला डेट?
डेट अभी मैंने डिसाइड नहीं किया ना बेटा, आई इन्फॉर्म यू 2-3 days बिफोर द क्लास।
मैम सेकंड चैप्टर क्या होगा?
चैप्टर 2 का ही होगा, चैप्टर 2 का ही होगा, ठीक है? I wanted to check if anybody has let me just see if I can discuss the questions of this is let me check if I can share or discuss the questions of open door. Few questions if I can discuss. Have you all copied down this?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about the extra questions I sent?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the extra questions I sent?
Done. I'm
I
done.
sent the answer key for that
Done.
also. I sent the answer key for that also.
I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Let
bye.
me-
Ma'am, thank you.
Wait. Who told you to go? Who told you to go? The class is not yet finished. I'm discussing the questions from open door. I'm discussing the questions from open door. Let me change the view. Right now, do you have the questions in your book or table on the table? Hamza, which question you had the query? Or should I start with the first question only?
Ma'am, the question.
Ma'am, the content.
मैम ओपन डोर कब होना है हमारा इतना बता दो.
Open door नहीं है बेटा, अभी नहीं है open door. How can an open door happen if you are sitting at home? Can't be possible. I just gave those questions for practice. Last time children of class 8 children did, so I wanted you people also to start with that. At least practice those questions. Okay? हाँ हमसा बोल रहे थे आप लोग.
ओके
Okay, ma'am.
मैं अभी खोल लेता हूँ. मैम आपसे क्लासरूम में भेजिए ना.
हाँ क्लासरूम पहले आप सब लोग करो फिर मैं आंसर की भेजती हूँ आज. मैं आंसर की भेजती हूँ आज. It means everybody has not done. It means everybody has not done. Have you all formed the groups? I told you I want the strength of the class is I want 7 groups from your class. 7 groups from your class.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
started.
Ma'am, we have made it.
You have to collect or form mathematical puzzles yourself. The work should be creative. It can be done on the paper sheet. You all can make a group and get some good kind of work.
Ma'am, we can make a PPT.
Yes,
of-
ma'am, we are
Ma'am,
working on it.
We have make a PPT on this.
PPT or you can do the paper also. We may have some
Okay,
exhibition
ma'am, we
kind
are
of thing
making
when
a
the school
PPT.
will open.
हम किसके ऊपर पीपीटी.
Mathematical puzzles, riddles, something creative related to mathematics.
मैम mathematical puzzles PPT बनानी है उस पे.
Beta, you can do it. You can represent your book in any form. Any form.
मैथमेटिक्स अब क्लासरूम पे पोस्ट कर देंगे.
पोस्ट अभी बाद में करना, छुट्टियों के बाद इतना बेस्ट से बेस्ट मटेरियल कलेक्ट कर लो. After school will get open, we'll have some exhibition or some mathematics media kind of thing in our school. I want to showcase your work there. Okay? I want to showcase your work there.
How many students we should form in a group?
I think 5, 6 are enough. More than that, we won't be able to.
Ma'am, 4 to 5. Ma'am, you have
4 to 5 is
And
fine.
we are
I want
4.
7, 8 groups from each class. I
And
note
we
down
are
the names
3.
along with the leader. Okay? Leader
Ma'am,
just
we are
leader
5.
means the one who is going to give you the work. Work will be presented only once. And एक class में 7, 8 work में आएंगे ना, इसलिए कह रहे हैं हम. ठीक है? Now from my side, this chapter is done. And I'm going to start with chapter number 3, the next class. Chapter number 3 is understanding quadrilaterals. Understanding quadrilaterals. We'll start with polygons, regular and irregular, convex and concave, and angles and property of quadrilaterals. And we'll also start with different type of figures with their angles and property. It may be quadrilateral, it may be 5-sided figure, it may be 6-sided figure, like that. Am I clear, children? Any query? Chapter number 2? 8th year done chapter number 2 many days back. We were doing slow. Now, I'm just calling off the meeting. I'm not well also. Okay? Please finish off with your work. Thank you, children. God bless you all. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
You, ma'am.